So I got these trim pieces off, and I'm gonna go ahead, scuff them up a little bit with some sandpaper and spray them with some black trim paint. Threw a thin layer of primer on it to prevent rust. Freshen everything up, give it a new look. And now we're gonna go ahead and start filling in some cracks, as well as some holes in the bottom of the floor. I thought this might be the best move. FedEx put a ton of rivets in the side of it, and they actually pierce through the side of this panel right here and right here. I went ahead from the other side, used a 100% waterproof caulking to seal that up, and it's been doing a great job. It had some leakage issues inside of the van down in here, but it's completely dry now that I sealed up those rivet holes. So we're gonna go ahead and fill it up with this, and let's hope we have no more leaks. So I think the key to this is just to use a minimal amount the first time, and then you can always add more if needed, because it does expand quite a bit. We're just gonna fill small gaps, like in between the exterior sheet metal and then this rib right here. We can't get back there without spray foam or loose insulation, so I think this is the best method. So we have these holes here that go straight down to the road, and we're going to try to patch these up with some steel stick JB Weld. So the instructions say to just pull some out, knead it with your fingers, and stick it to what you want. So it's pretty easy. That's about good.